Latvians are very proud of their song and dance festival. This significant event has been taking place since 1873, and each time it brings together thousands of the best singers and dancers from all regions of Latvia. This celebration is special because it unites Latvian nation. The event is always held in Riga. The Song and Dance Festival was recorded in the UNESCO list of masterpieces and oral and intangible cultural heritage. Every spring, all Latvian dance groups and choirs take part in displays involving more than 5,000 dancers, around 13,000 singers, demonstrating to the jury from the compulsory repertoire as well as freely chosen ones. The atmosphere will be similar to that of the 100-meter sprint at the Olympic Games.
Sildas Dievs mīļā laimā mana mūža licējiņa, sakuru esu gurdiņu no 9 žakariņi. Sildas Dievs mīļā laimā mana mūža licējiņa.
Trešo sienu par mīlestību un visu, ko Dievs tev var dot. Tā kā tava stīga, kas dziesmai spēku rod. Ķēlu spēlējies vēl, mani spēlējies skaņāk, es nevaru sadzirdēt, lai dodim Rīga un Daugava mana, kad visa Latvija kāpilē. Spēlējiet vēl, mani spēlējiet skaņāk, es nevaru sadzirdēt, lai nodim Rīga un Daugava mana, kad visa Latvija kāpilē. Dzīvosim laimīgi mēsliņus, dziesmas dziedāsim dējas, visur mēs paspēsim, visur mēs, varbūt pat kaut ko no visa tā. Tagad balsojam, kurš par? Sapinu vainagu,
Latvia's Midsummer's Night Festival, or LIGO, which is celebrated from June 23rd to 24th, is the country's most beloved holiday. LIGO is a joyous occasion, the summer solstice festival's ancient rituals including worshipping the sun and enhancing nature's fertility. June 23rd is also the longest day of the year, which is followed by the shortest night of the year. This is why bonfires are lit during LIGO, which is an important ritual to mark the victory of light over darkness. On the other hand, those bonfires that are deemed Jāņuguns are lit to improve health and increase fertility. One of the traditions is to jump over these fires, which is a ritual meant for preventing illness, of course. Probably the most important part of the LIGO festival is food, which includes home-brewed beer and fresh cheese. Just as important is to decorate the surrounding area where LIGO is to be celebrated, as well as making and wearing oak leaf and flower crowns, which are full of the earth's energy.
Jāņu naktī ap pusnakti pa upi jābried. Tad no rīta pamostoties, kur pēc naudu varēs atrast. Jā.
Ūdens tūmā Jāņu naktī jāsvin arī meitām, kuras grib sievas godā tikt. Jāņu naktī ūdenī skatoties, varot precinieka seju redzēt. Ja pie mājas aug papardes, tad māja pasargāta no negaisa draudiem, bet ja cilvēks papardes zariņu visu laiku nesā sev līdzi, tad viņš pasargāts no visa ļaunā.
Jāņos meitām ābeles zaros jāmet Jāņu vainagi, ja tas tur paliek drīzumā gaidāmas kāzas. Cik reiz nokritīs lejā, tik gadi vēl būs jāgaida.
Jāņu vakarā zem mājas sliekšņi vajag izskapti palikt. Tad raganas iekšā netiks.
Kā Aluvāra, tu nevar svešos laist klāt, savādāk kals nesanāks.
Two Vidzemes cities, Gulbene and Alūksne, have been joined by a narrow gauge rail link for over 100 years. The railway is used as a mode of transportation by local residents and tourists. Special rides are organized at Christmas and Easter to popularize this attraction. A special holiday is organized on the first Saturday of September in both cities to honor this railway line. There are street markets, different concerts and other events during this celebration.
Es centos slēpties no tevis, bet tu pirmais paslēpies. Es centos pasmaidīt, bet tu pirmais iesmējies. Es centos mīlēt tevi, bet tu pirmais iemīlējies. Un zeme tik griežas, dēļ mums tā neapstāsies. Un pasaule krūs, visotrādi būs, bet vai es būšu tava mīļotā?
Команды заряжать. Когда зарядите.
One of the most important events in Alūksne is the celebration of the town. It lasts usually 4 days. This celebration is on the first Sunday in August. It's time when all families come together. There are many different street concerts, theaters, street markets, competitions, exhibitions during these celebrations. Last year was Mrs. and Mr. Alūksne contest. It was a great show, and finally on Sunday there is the festival in remembrance which held in Alūksne cemetery.
Lai mugura man stīva un kājas nomoka ģikts, es varu, mans kungs un ķeizar, ka nebūšu karavīrs slikts. Nekas, ka kuņģī čūla un mieru akmeņi štruns. Es cīnīšos pirmajās rindās, ar lodi būs pielikt.
Senos laikos tālā zemē princese dzīvoja. Bija tā jauna, bija tā skaista, visi to mīlēja. Bija pēc viņas kaimiņu valsts princis, mežģīņu uzās tērps. galvens puķis, asaras lēja, vienam nav dzīvot vērts bruņinieks Johans, nabaks kā žurka, arī ko cerēja, padeva bruņas, nopirka rozes, princesei sūtīja. Ak, Johan, Johan, nabaga Johan.
А я тоже могу говорить?
Да, говорите.
Так, ну так вот слушайте сюда. Вот, значит, например, вы взяли текст этот прочитали, да, и говорите: я считаю, что проблема этого текста заключается в том и в том и в том. Допустим, например, вот тот текст, который вам был предложен, да, вы говорите: я считаю, что проблема этого текста заключается в том, как содержать домашних животных, да, как содержать домашних.
Hello, dear Comenius people.
Do you remember us? Of course you do.
We are girls from Latvia.
It's for those who doesn't know.
So we really enjoyed time we spent in Lithuania.
Personally, I like the most Poland.
I got married. Oh no, where's my ring? I'm just kidding. And I liked friendly people and Kaunas city. Okay, so we wanted to say hi and thank you for everything. So goodbye for now, and maybe we will meet on Latvia next year.